hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble accessing your Yahoo app, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause access issues. Step 2. Update the Yahoo app. Go to your app store and check for any available updates for the Yahoo app. An outdated version might lead to access blocks. Step 3. Clear your app cache. Navigate to your device settings, find the Yahoo app, and clear its cache. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. For example, on Android, you can find this under Settings Apps Yahoo Storage. Step 4. Check account security settings. Log into your Yahoo account via your web browser and check your account security settings. Look for any alerts or security blocks. Step 5. Reinstall the Yahoo app. If none of the above steps work, uninstall the Yahoo app and then reinstall it from your app store. This can resolve persistent issues. I hope these steps help you regain access to your Yahoo app. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.